In this week's edition of the Business Review, we take a look at one manufacturer that is capitalizing on the use of traditional wood to make customized signs for all events. Here's Cody and Barrett.
Wooden signs look great if you want a rustic, classic, country, or homey feel. It was the focus of Vicky Lee Wedderburn when she started looking into signs for events and special occasions.
We saw the need to create that rustic look with gifts, because you can always get gifts, but that kind of rustic, if you want a rustic look for gifts, then there aren't many places that you can get that in Jamaica, personalized.
And so Rustique signs were created. Through her quest for an additional source of income, she and her husband began researching on how to make wooden signs. The business officially started in February 2019, a prime time for the Valentine's period, but there was some hiccups.
We actually did the first set of signs, every single one of them spoiled. Every single one. It was so close to Valentine's Day.
But failure was only a learning curve. They have never spoiled a sign since. The couple operated the business from their home, but as it grew, so did the noise, and a larger space was needed. Mrs. Wedderburn took a further leap of faith and left the corporate world to focus on her business full-time by the end of 2019. But what they did not foresee was the pandemic the following year. Luckily for Rustique Signs, gift giving did not stop, and the business was able to stay afloat. Year on year, the business has seen a slow, steady growth in profits. But as the business progresses and demand ramps up, there comes another challenge.
Is the fact that I cannot find a carpenter. I can't find a carpenter to assist with making the stuff and to assist us with meeting the deadlines. Right? So as a result, a lot of times orders are slowed because of that. My husband is the one that does the heavy lifting when it comes to the carpentry. But we've been trying to find somebody that can do it full time, but it's very hard to get skilled workers.
Now, with just a team of 3, Rustique Signs prides itself on beautiful wooden signs for wedding venues, whether rental or customized. There are also encouraging signs on the overseas market, which now accounts for about 10% of the company's profits. The aim of Rustique Signs, however, is to partner with local home decor businesses.
In future, I see Rustique employing a lot more creative people, as well as investing in machinery necessary to allow us to be able to increase our production capacity.
With the Business Review, I'm Cody Ann Barrett.